Today is officially iPhone launch day, and I'm here at Apple's New York City store to unbox it and give you a quick hands-on look at the new features and design changes. But before I get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet so you don't miss any of my upcoming iPhone 15 content. Now, let's dive right in. Here I have the new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. The box is still white if you're curious, and you can see the iPhone color right here on the front with the dark wallpaper. So let's open it up and take a look inside. And this is the natural titanium color. I have to say I'm totally in love with this new color and finish. It looks incredible, and I think this is my favorite iPhone color ever released. This year, the Pro models are made of titanium with a fine brushed finish on the side with the textured matte glass finish that we are already familiar with. Also, let's not forget about the rounded edges, which help with the grip when holding it. This could be considered a subtle change, but I love it, and I can't get past how great this iPhone looks. Now, the other things that we have here are the documents and the white Apple sticker. No SIM card tray ejector, since the iPhones here in the US are all eSIM. But the main thing in here is the new braided white USB-C cable that comes in the box, as the iPhones now have the USB-C port. This cable is likely going to be more durable than the regular iPhone cables that used to come with previous iPhones, so I'm really happy to see it here. And that's the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing experience. Now, as for the main changes, you'd be happy to hear that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is 19 grams lighter than the previous generation. And while it may not sound like much, you can definitely feel the difference in the hand. Also, USB-C. No doubt this was something that we were all looking forward to, and I feel like this is the main thing that people is talking about. This is a significant step forward for sure, as it brings faster data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second to the Pro models, which now have USB 3 support. Now, another important change for this year's Pro models is the new action button. Apple has replaced the mute switch with it, and it works similarly to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. By default, the action button is set to toggle between the ring silence switch, but you can choose which action you prefer, and that's super easy to do. Simply go to Settings and tap on Action button. Apple created its own section in Settings, and here you can choose between silent mode. You can have it set to open the camera and choose the camera mode it opens to, flashlight, voice memos, magnifier, or trigger a shortcut, which is the coolest action, I believe, because you can pretty much open any app or action on your iPhone. After choosing your preferred action, you simply just press and hold on the button to launch it. Speaking of cameras, the camera system has also received an exciting upgrade, something that I was really looking forward to, which is a new telephoto lens offering 5 times optical zoom, up from 3 on the Pro Max. The only downside is that this upgrade is exclusive to the Pro Max version. Apple will probably say that there's not enough room inside the Pro model to include the new lens, which makes sense, but I was really looking forward to purchasing a smaller iPhone this year. Of course, I ended up not doing so because I want to use the new telephoto lens like many of you, so at least this iPhone is a little lighter. Another new addition to the camera app is that you now have multiple focal lengths to choose from. So when you open the camera app, you can tap on the 0.5x to use the ultra-wide camera. Then on the main camera, you can choose between 3 different options: 24, 28, and 35 millimeters. Then you have the 2 times telephoto and the new 5 times telephoto, which has a 120 millimeters focal length. And in camera settings, you can also set your preferred focal length for the main camera if you want. Now, talking about video, the iPhone 15 Pro Max can record 4K video at 60 frames per second. I'll be putting this to the test in our upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see more about that. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the new A17 Pro chip. It's the first time that Apple named an iPhone chip Pro, and it's also the first time that Apple produced a chip using the 3nm process. It features a 6-core GPU, which is a step up from previous generation's 5-core GPU, which means even better performance for apps and games. The only downside is that I was hoping for more battery life, but it looks like it remains the same if compared to the 14 Pro Max, totaling 29 hours of video playback. I definitely want to test it out to share my experience with you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. As of price, the iPhone 15 Pro starts at the same $999 price, but the Pro Max version now starts at $1,199, and Apple got rid of the 128 gigabytes of storage option, kind of forcing the users to choose a bigger storage option and pay more for the Pro Max. And regarding colors, the new iPhone 15 Pro is now available in this beautiful natural titanium, the blue titanium, black titanium, and white titanium colors. Please let me know which one is your favorite down below in the comments. And this is the new iPhone 15 unboxing experience. I really love the new material. I'm excited that it has USB-C, and I can't wait to try the new telephoto lens. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.